Every April, Earth Day celebrates the birth of the modern environmental movement. Since its inception in 1970, Earth Day has celebrated the joint human commitment to saving our planet. To honor that anniversary and to reaffirm our commitment to environmentalism, let's celebrate by making some felt earth bookmarks. Let's check it out! Hi there! I'm Michelle with the Goffstown Public Library, where I'm an adult services librarian. Welcome or welcome back to our library. We're so happy to have you. Today, we're going to learn to make felt earth bookmarks. Here's what you'll need. 2 pieces of blue felt, about 4 inches by 4 inches. 1 piece of green felt, about 4 inches by 3 inches. 1 length of thick elastic, about 19 inches long. 2 lengths of embroidery floss, about 3 feet long, 1 in green and 1 in blue. A permanent marker. Scissors. Hot glue or fabric glue, a needle, and the template linked in the description below. To get started, print out the template and grab your scissors.
Cut out the 4 template pieces using your scissors. Trace the land masses templates onto the green felt using a permanent marker. Then, trace the water template onto both pieces of blue felt. Cut out the traced felt shapes on the inside of the line you drew. Stack the 2 circles on top of each other and trim. Cut out the land masses as well. Then, set these aside. Tie a knot in one end of the green embroidery floss. And a double knot for good measure. Then, go ahead and thread the opposite end into the needle. Layer the land masses onto one felt circle. Then, using running stitches, sew the green felt land masses to the blue water circle. Continue until you've stitched all the way around the shapes. This is what your result will look like. Repeat with the smaller land masses. When you're done, end your stitches with a simple knot. Next, tie a knot in one end of the blue embroidery floss and thread the opposite end into the needle. We're going to sew the elastic into a loop, so fold the elastic into a loop, overlapping the ends by about a ½ inch. Then use running stitches to sew the overlapping ends of the elastic together. You'll want to go over the stitches 2 or 3 times to make sure they're strong enough to withstand stretching. End your stitches with a simple knot and then cut away the remaining thread. Next, we'll glue the elastic loop to the center of a felt circle. Add the glue where the edges of the elastic overlap. Make sure the elastic runs through the north and south poles of your globe. Layer the felt circles with the land masses facing up and the elastic in the middle. Once more, tie a knot in one end of the blue embroidery floss and thread the opposite end into the needle. Pass your needle through the land masses felt circle only, directly to the right of the elastic at the North Pole. This will hide the knot between the felt circles. Using running stitches, sew the edges of the felt circles. Take care to stitch into the elastic, firmly securing it into place. Continue until you've stitched around the shape. At your last stitch, pass the needle through the blank felt circle only, the back one. That's how it should look right there. Then tie a simple knot around one of the existing stitches. Trim the excess thread and tuck the knot between the felt circles to hide.
And there you have it, a completed felt earth bookmark that you can use to remind you of our responsibility to our home every time you see it. How do you celebrate the earth? How do you incorporate the principles of sustainability into your crafting practices? Let me know in those comments. Or leave any tips and tricks that made you successful with this craft for the rest of our community to see. If you're into making crafts like this, you'll definitely want to check out Creative Bug, a crafting database free with your library card. Creative Bug has thousands of classes hosted by master crafters of all disciplines, from painting to pottery, from sewing to cake decorating. There's something for all ages and ability levels. A world of creativity is waiting for you over at Creative Book. As always, like and share this video if you got something out of it, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got crafts of all ages, book talks, teen life skills, author events, and more here on this channel. Basically, it's all the events you love for your library available 24/7. Subscribing makes sure you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. I'll be back soon for another how-to video. In the meantime, you can connect with the Goffstown Public Library on social media or by visiting goffstownlibrary.com to see what we're up to. As a last note, this video was made as part of the 2021 community conversation, Can We Talk About the Environment? To see more content about climate change and environmentalism, you can visit goffstownlibrary.com/community conversation. There's a whole roster of events there and resources to get you started on your journey. Again, I'm Michelle with the Goffstown Public Library, and I'll check you out later. Bye!